Alright guys, so we are here today at the Rose and Crown. This is in the United Kingdom Pavilion at Epcot. So this is one of my favorite spots on property, whether eating in the restaurant itself, whether grabbing, eating at the bar. Usually I get the same things. Sometimes I get the Scotch egg, fish and chips, shepherd's pie. Always get a half and half. Sometimes I'll just come in and just get a half and half. Where I'm sitting today, I'm out on the patio. Now, if you can get this spot around the time for illuminations, I mean, it's pretty awesome. Here, I'll show you the view, guys. Look. See? Perfect spot for illuminations. So yeah, let me go ahead and I'm gonna just waiting on my food right now, and I'll talk to you guys after the meal. Guys, so as you saw, I had the fish and chips and the half and half, and finished all of it. So, like I said, if you're in Epcot, you like pub food, stop by Rose and Crown, or if you just want to grab the fish and chips, you can go to the fish and chip stand, same kitchen, or also the Rose and Crown bar. Sometimes it can get a little busy, but that's usually where I stop. I'll stop in, grab either a Scotch egg, fish and chips, or always grab my half and half. So come on out to Epcot, check out Rose and Crown. Comment below, let me know what your favorite restaurant on property, or even just your favorite Epcot restaurant is. Make sure you're following along on all my social media channels. Click the links in the below to help me out. Hope everybody enjoyed this episode of Eagle Eats. Talk to you in the next one.